Hey, what's good, YouTube? On today's video, we're gonna do visual machine scale sets. So I already have my cloud storage configured, but that's not the point for today. But let's go to the search bar and search VV sets, which is visual machine scale sets. So why you need to have visual machine scale sets? Here, Azure says visual machine scale sets let you create and manage a group of load balanced VMs. The number of VMs instance can be automatically increased or decreased in response to demand or define a schedule. Scale sets provide high availability to your applications and allow you to centrally manage, configure, and update a large number of VMs. So if you got a large traffic coming to your website, you can automatically increase the number of VMs, and if it decreases, it can automatically decrease the number of VMs, and in that way you can save money and pay less for the VMs you are using for your web servers and everything. So we're gonna select a resource group and give it a name. Let's just say VVSS demo. Select a region and let's select availability zone. So what does this mean? It means you can optionally specify an availability zone which to deploy your scale set. If you choose to do so, your managed disk and public IP will be created in the same availability zone as your scale sets. So this is just for high availability. If one data center is down, you can access your services on another data center. So I'm just going to click zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. And what else do we need to configure? So this is the same process as creating a virtual machine, but let's go with authentication type of password and let's give it a username. Let's say BVS demo and let's give it a password. Make sure your password is the same. Yeah, make sure it matches and let's go to next. Let's jump to networking. I think we have to deploy with a load balancer, and in my previous video I've shown how to configure a load balancer from scratch. So if you don't know how to do that, I will leave the link in the description and you can learn how to do it. So let's say use load balancer, and then we're going to create a new load balancer on the spot because we don't have one yet. And let's jump into scaling, and initial instance count we can leave it as 2. Let's do auto scaling and let's just leave it as default. So this, it means if the traffic increases by 75%, it will add 1 instance. Scale in, it means if the traffic is below 25%, it will decrease by 1, but you can edit this the way you want them to be. And let's jump into management. Let's see, let's jump into health. We can enable application health monitoring if we're gonna be using a load balancer for this, and then we can just review and create. We can configure the rest when it has deployed. Oh, our validation has passed. Now let's go ahead and create our visual machine scale. There you go. Our deployment has completed. And let's go to resource and let's see what we can do. Okay, so our virtual machine scale set is running Linux, and let's see, what do I want to see? There's something I wanted to, oh, scaling. So you can come here to scaling and configure some things. So we used auto scaling, and let me see. Okay, there you have it. So here's the scaling rules that we have, which was the default one that Azure provided, but you can create this according to how you want them to be. And on the next video, I'm gonna be doing availability sets, which is gonna be a follow-up video. So be on the lookout for that, and please like, subscribe, and share this content. Let's grow this channel. Thanks.